Welcome to Speak Up English, Learn from Zero. This channel helps you speak English step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. Can you say your name clearly in English? Let's learn how to say and ask names today. We are in a recording studio. Anna and John are practicing a simple English conversation for beginners. Hi again, John. Can you tell me your name?
Sure. My name is John.
Nice. How do you spell your name?
John.
Great. My name is Anna. A-N-N-A.
That's easy to remember.
In this conversation, Anna and John talk about names and spelling. You can say, "My name is," to tell your name. To ask about someone's name, say, "What is your name?" To ask about spelling, say, "How do you spell it?" Now let's practice together. Please listen and repeat slowly.
What is your name?
My name is Anna.
How do you spell it?
A-N-N-A. Now it's your turn. Say your name and spell it in English. My name is, it is spelled. Thank you for learning with Speak Up English. Learn from zero. Practice every day. Speak with confidence and see you in the next lesson.